Every bag of cement begins deep inside the earth. Powerful machines uncover nature's raw materials. Each truck carries hundreds of tons of limestone. Precision drilling prepares the next excavation. Controlled explosions unlock millions of tons of stone. Freshly blasted rock enters the production chain. Every road leads to the crushing plant. Here, raw stone begins its transformation. Gravity feeds the first giant machine. Powerful magnets silently protect every machine that follows. An endless river of stone flows forward. Secondary crushing creates consistent material. Clean air is essential for modern cement plants. Even tiny contaminants are removed automatically. The journey continues without interruption. Automation creates perfectly balanced storage. Stored stone returns to production when needed. The factory prepares for its most important process. Now the stone becomes the foundation of cement. Immense pressure reduces solid rock into microscopic particles. Hydraulic force drives the heart of the grinding system. Heat dries the raw material while lifting it higher. Only the finest particles continue the journey. Advanced filtration keeps both product and air clean. The raw meal moves toward perfect consistency. Uniform blending begins inside these just giant silos. Air keeps millions of particles perfectly mixed. Now the prepared material approaches extreme heat. Digital intelligence controls the entire factory.
Preheater tower stage 4 is steady.
Automation maintains precision every second. Ahead stands one of the tallest machines in cement production. Heat begins preparing the material for the kiln. Cyclonic motion transfers energy with remarkable efficiency. Every stage pushes the temperature higher. Gigantic burners unleash enormous thermal energy. Fuel is prepared with the same precision as the raw material. The heart of the cement plant finally comes into view. Inside this rotating giant, stone is transformed into clinker. This process occurs at nearly 1450 degrees Celsius. Inside the kiln, extreme heat begins a remarkable transformation. One enormous flame powers the entire cement-making process. The world's largest rotating furnace never stops turning. Gigantic gears keep hundreds of tons moving smoothly. Every rotation is controlled with millimeter precision. Special bricks protect the kiln from unimaginable heat. Stone becomes a completely new material through heat. These glowing nodules are the heart of every cement bag. Temperatures reach nearly 1,450 degrees Celsius. Technology watches Enrite. Technology watches every degree of heat. Every parameter is controlled in real time.
Burner adjusted.
A precisely controlled fuel supply keeps the live alive. Even inspections are performed with advanced automation. The transformation is nearly complete. Fresh clinker leaves the kiln glowing like molten lava. The hottest stage gives way to rapid cooling. Cooling locks in the clinker's essential structure. Nothing valuable is wasted inside a modern cement plant. The clinker is now ready for its final grinding process. The final chapter begins, where clinker becomes cement. The cooled clinker is prepared for final grinding. A small amount of gypsum controls the cement's setting time. Immense pressure prepares the material for maximum efficiency. One of the largest grinding machines begins its work. Steel grinding media pulverize the clinker with relentless force. Every rotation creates finer cement particles. Modern plants often use vertical cement mills for higher efficiency. Airflow separates finished cement from unfinished material. Advanced filtration recovers every valuable particle. The finished cement moves without exposure to the environment. These towering silos store the finished product safely. Air keeps the powder flowing freely. Digital automation manages every ton of cement. The final product begins its last journey inside the factory. Some cement leaves the factory in bulk form. The remaining cement is prepared for retail distribution. Automation fills hundreds of bags every minute. Robots prepare thousands of bags for delivery every hour. Every bag is verified before shipment. Every pallet is secured for a safe journey. Every shipment is digitally tracked from factory to destination. Automation keeps the warehouse moving around the clock. Intelligent machines replace repetitive transport tasks. Every truck is loaded with maximum efficiency. Automation speeds every shipment leaving the factory. Bulk cement travels directly to ready-mix concrete plants. Railways deliver cement across vast distances. The finished cement begins its final journey. The factory's work continues on the construction site.